Tatak C3!
What's up guys, this is CJ and welcome to my channel. Today is another vlog day. It's freaking hot here in Cebu City and I'm heading to Handurao Pizza here at Mango Avenue. So we're gonna be doing some vloggers for first time workshop. So tara, yan kayo. And this is the function room, and as usual, I'm the earliest bird. So, BRB guys, kaya mag-set up sa amuang station, registration area for the C3 BFF workshop. Yeah! Second bird is here. Ano ba ito pa na? Oh, TV! Asa din mo paper cut?
Ay, sabag!
Kaya sa idol lagi niya. Grabe patiksa. Grabe. What's up guys? People are finally showing up and here's Batong, the hashtag Vlogger Kikwa. And over there is Ramsey and Kat preparing for their presentation. Outside, nawala. Outside, nasi Mushuputo. Look at this guy, Pips, Greencore Moshpit doing his amazing stuff.
Let me zoom out.
Wow. Guess who? Tinsani siya. Like and subscribe ah. Hello. And look who's here!
Hello.
Flip.
Good noon.
Good noon. Hello to our early bird. Hi.
Hi. What's your name? Anong to? Nabangan ko ba?
After sa to, i-serve ni. And then, ang second break ni.
Oh!
Preparing for her
Retouch.
song. Retouch. Retouch ka ba? Muna ang mga vloggers kaya. So, dili ka na na.
Okay, oily ka ako oh, ikaw na host for ay dalagan.
So guys, naabot na itong mga participants, no? Yeah. I wish to interview them but we don't have much time anymore. So, B-rolls na lang. Oh, yo, what's up, bro? What's up, guys? So we are here with Wilvin. We are outside at Handurao Pizza at Mango because we're gonna do some grammar stuff, mag-photoshoot me. So yeah, sure boys. I didn't see that coming. And yung auto siya, and let's see what's happening outside the room. Yeah, ang mga people there sa gawas kay nangatulog. Naunsan doon sila. Napay na game sa likod ay. Hi Kat. Naginatulog dire. Magapatong. May nag-jenga.
We'll miss you. We'll go now international.
Mama.
How was it?
Ako na Wigo! Woo! Muna! Manggaos mi, kasama kayo mi! Manggaos mi, kasama kayo mi! Manggaos mi, kasama ka ni!
Sila sa supper.
Nasa tot.
Pinametro magazine. Cheers, boys. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next vlog.